Today we're diving into the world of nutrition, specifically the ongoing debate of green powders versus vegetables. I know we've all heard the magical benefits of these green supplements, but are they really worth it, or should we stick to the good old veggies? Let's break it down. Green powders are dietary supplements designed to boost your daily vegetable intake. You simply mix them into water or other liquids. They often contain a mix of plants, superfoods, and essential nutrients aiming to provide you with a convenient way to meet your daily veggie quota. The claims are bold: immune support, increased energy, and detoxification, but do they hold up? Research suggests that green powders may indeed have benefits, such as reducing blood pressure and providing antioxidants that combat oxidative damage, supporting heart health. They often provide probiotics and digestive enzymes promoting gut health. However, the evidence isn't conclusive and more extensive studies are needed. Short answer, no. While green powders can be a convenient supplement, they can't fully replace the nutritional powerhouse that is fresh, whole vegetables. Veggies offer fiber, water content, and a complete matrix of vitamins and minerals that work together for optimal health. Green powders can be a helpful addition, especially for those struggling to meet their daily vegetable goals. Whether you blend them into your morning smoothie or mix them into a bedtime snack, it's all about what fits your schedule and habits. Here's the deal: vegetables are the preferred choice. Green powders might come in handy when real foods aren't accessible, like during busy days or travel. However, they're not a one-to-one replacement. Keep in mind that research on these supplements is limited and skepticism is healthy. In conclusion, it's a battle of green powders versus vegetables, and while the powders have their merits, they can't replace the real deal. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and check out Patients Like Me for more nutrition insights.